Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create stunning presentations using Gamma AI. I'll also go a step further. We'll review its features, discuss its pricing plan, and also analyze its pros and cons. By the end of this video, you'll know whether Gamma AI is the right tool for you. So, let's get started. First, head over to gamma.app in your browser. Once you land on the home page, you'll see a button that says Sign Up for Free. Click on it, and you'll be given a couple of options to sign up. You can either continue with your Google account for a quick setup or sign up with your email. If you choose email, just enter your email address, set a password, and proceed. I'll go ahead and continue with Google, since it's the fastest way to get started. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the Workspace Setup page. Here, the first thing you need to do is to choose how do you plan to use Gamma. I'll choose for personal use and click Continue. Then, you have to select what kind of work you do. I'll choose Others and click Continue. Similarly, complete the rest of the steps to complete it. Now you're taken to a page where you need to choose from the Create with AI options. Here, you have three choices: Generate, Import File, or URL, and Paste in text. You can pick any option based on how you want to create your presentation. On the top left, there's a Home button. Click on it, and now on the top right, you'll see your available credits. By default, you start with 400 credits, which you can use to generate presentations, get AI-powered suggestions, and create AI-generated images. Each AI-generated presentation costs 40 credits, while AI suggestions during editing cost 10 credits. If you want to generate images, those cost 10 credits per image. If you ever run low on credits, you don't need to worry. Gamma AI offers different ways to earn more for free. You can invite a friend to sign up using your referral link, and each time they join, you get additional credits. There's also an option to invite teammates, and if they sign up and start using Gamma AI, you'll receive bonus credits as well. This makes it easy to keep using AI features without upgrading to a paid plan. Now, you'll see that this is your main workspace or dashboard. This is where all your projects, templates, and tools are organized. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu with several different options. The first one is Templates, and if you click on it, you'll see a variety of pre-designed templates for different types of projects. Whether you need workspaces, pitches, proposals, or general presentations, Gamma AI has plenty of templates to choose from. If you're not sure what style or format to go with, you can also check out the inspiration section, which showcases different presentations and ideas that have been created using Gamma. This can give you a better idea of what's possible and help you find the right starting point for your own presentation. Now, in the middle of the screen, you'll see the Create or Join folder option. This is great for organizing your projects, especially if you plan on making multiple presentations or working on different topics. You can also click on All Gammas to access every project you've created or collaborated on. One thing you'll notice when you create a new account is that Gamma AI provides a default folder called Gamma Tips and Tricks. Inside, you'll find an introductory guide that highlights some of the key features Gamma offers, like AI-powered text generation, nested cards, embedding tools, smart layouts, presentation mode, and spotlight mode. This is a great way to quickly learn about the platform's capabilities. Now, let's go ahead and create a new presentation. To do this, we'll head back to the home page and click on New from Blank. This will open up a brand new workspace where we can start building our presentation. When you first enter this space, Gamma AI will give you a quick tour, highlighting the key features available in the editor. Right after that, you'll see a quick start checklist, which guides you through the essential steps to get started. One of the easiest ways to start adding content is by using the / command. Just type a /, and you'll see a list of formatting options, including headings, text, images, and other elements. This makes it super easy to structure your slides without having to manually navigate through different tools. If you look at the top right corner, you'll see an option called Edit Theme. Clicking on this allows you to customize the overall appearance of your presentation. You can change colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your personal or brand style. You'll also see several more tools, including Edit with AI, which allows Gamma AI to assist in generating or refining your content. Then, there are card templates, where you can add pre-designed content blocks to your slides. You also have various text formatting options, call-out blocks, and layout settings that help in structuring your presentation. If you need to add multimedia, you'll find options to insert images, videos, embedded web pages, and even interactive forms. One particularly useful feature is the Visual Templates section, where you'll find elements like vertical and horizontal timelines. These are especially useful for project management presentations, but they can also be incorporated into regular slideshows to create a more dynamic visual experience. Now that we've gone through the main features of the editor, let's head back to the homepage and start building our own presentation from scratch. Now to start building our presentation, I'm going to click on Create New AI on the top left. Here, you have three choices. Generate, where Gamma AI will create a draft for you based on the details you provide. Import file, or URL, which allows you to import pre-existing content, and the AI will convert that text into a structured, visually appealing presentation. And paste in text. For this video, we're going with Generate since we're starting from scratch. After selecting Generate, Gamma AI will ask a few questions to customize the presentation. The first thing it wants to know is what type of content we're creating. In this case, we're creating a presentation. Then it asks for a topic. You can type in anything you want. And you can also choose from suggested topics. If you don't find what you're looking for, just click Shuffle, and Gamma will generate even more ideas for you. Let's say I want to build a presentation on psychological first aid. As soon as I type that in, Gamma AI will suggest an outline. It might include sections like introduction, key principles, techniques, benefits, and implementation. If you're not happy with the initial outline, you can click Try Again, and Gamma AI will generate a different version. This can be helpful if you're looking for a different structure or additional sections. For example, after clicking Try Again, I see that Gamma has now added integration strategies and first aid for specific populations as separate sections, making the outline more detailed. You can keep doing this until you get an outline that works for you. Now, if there's something in the outline that you want to remove, you can simply click on it and delete it. On the other hand, if I want to add my own section, maybe something like techniques to relax during a crisis, I can do that too. Now, Gamma shows me a preview of the theme it has selected for my presentation. If I don't like this theme, I can change it from the bottom right corner. There are multiple themes to choose from, and I can scroll through them to see which one fits my topic the best. For example, these two themes look pretty nice, but I think this one matches my topic better. Now Gamma AI starts generating the presentation. The entire process is automated. I don't have to write anything or design anything manually. Gamma AI takes care of everything, from structuring the slides to adding relevant visuals. In just a few moments, the entire presentation is built, and you can see that every slide follows a consistent design with a clean, professional look. The slides also include images, text formatting, and structured content, making it easy to present. My name is already added to the title slide, and if I want to make any changes, I can do so manually. Let's say I want to edit or delete a section. I just click on it and make the changes. If I want to add more slides, I can do that too. For example, if I want to replace an image, I can click on it, and two icons will appear. These icons allow me to adjust the image, delete it, or replace it with a new one. There's also an option to add a new backdrop, apply a full bleed effect to make the image cover the entire slide, or change the slide's layout. I can choose from different layout options depending on how I want my content to appear. Whether I want a split layout, a centered text block, or a more dynamic arrangement, Gamma gives me the flexibility to customize everything to match my style. Now let's say I want to highlight the term psychological first aid. I can simply select the text, click on the bold icon, and make it stand out. Small edits like these help improve the readability of your presentation. On the right side, you'll also see additional options, including more card templates and other customization tools. These allow you to further refine your slides and ensure that everything looks polished. Now, at the bottom, you'll find the final action options. Here, you can choose Add Card with AI, which allows you to insert a new slide on a different topic. For example, if I want to refine the wording of a section to make it sound more professional, I can let Gamma AI rewrite it for me. The original version will appear on one side, and the AI's suggested rewrite will appear on the other. If I like the new version, I can simply click to apply it, and the updated text will be added automatically. This feature makes it easy to improve clarity and professionalism without rewriting everything manually. You also have the option to incorporate videos and images into your presentation. If you have specific media files in mind, you can easily add them to enhance your slides. Once you're satisfied with your presentation, you can click on Present to start your slideshow immediately. If you need to share your presentation with others, you can click Share and choose Export. Gamma AI lets you download the presentation as a PowerPoint, PPT, PDF, or even share it via a public link. Now let's talk about Gamma AI's pricing plans and what each one offers. Gamma AI offers 3 pricing plans: Free, Plus, and Pro. The free plan costs nothing per seat per month and provides basic features for creating simple decks and websites. It includes 400 AI credits at sign-up, basic AI image generation, and allows users to generate up to 10 cards. Additional benefits include 20,000 AI token inputs, unlimited gammas and users, basic import and PPT PDF export, and access to the beta website builder. The Plus plan costs $8 per seat per month, billed annually at $96. It offers unlimited AI creation, advanced AI image generation, removes the Made with Gamma badge, and allows up to 20 cards per project. It also includes everything in the free plan plus 50,000 AI token inputs, priority support, and early access to new features. The Pro plan costs $15 per seat per month, billed annually at $180, and is the most powerful plan. It includes unlimited AI creation, premium AI image generation, advanced AI editing operations, and allows up to 50 cards per project. In addition to everything in Plus, the Pro plan provides 100,000 AI token inputs, custom domains and URLs, detailed analytics, custom fonts, and password protection. If you're just starting out, the free plan is a good option.